Essential lessons from the life of Prophet Muhammad PBUH. Learn the valuable lessons from Prophet Muhammad's PBUH life, each offering profound insight into faith, humility, and resilience. Explore the Prophet Muhammad's PBUH exemplary life, a testament to his enduring faith, unwavering humility, and formidable resilience that continues to inspire millions today. Immerse yourself in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a remarkable journey of faith, humility, resilience, and compassion that has shaped civilizations for centuries. Experience the profound impact of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a beacon of faith, humility, resilience, and compassion that transcends generations. Discover the timeless wisdom of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH tenets, encapsulating faith, humility, resilience, and compassion, resonating across centuries and cultures. Delve into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH lessons, a unique blend of faith, humility, resilience, and compassion that impacts countless lives globally. Venture into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a wellspring of faith, humility, resilience, and compassion that influences the world profoundly. Explore Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a compelling testament of faith, humility, resilience, and compassion that continues to enlighten humanity. Immerse yourself in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a rich tapestry of faith, humility, resilience, and compassion, ceaselessly guiding humanity towards enlightenment. Witness the transformative power of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, embodying faith, humility, resilience, and compassion, shaping a global consciousness across eras. Dive into the profound influence of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a beacon of faith, humility, and compassion, stirring hearts across generations. Discover the tranquil essence of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a harmonious blend of faith, humility, and compassion, fostering inner peace in countless hearts. Unravel the profound wisdom of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, an eternal source of faith, humility, and compassion, illuminating the path to spiritual enlightenment. Explore the expansive depth of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, an enduring testament of faith, humility, and compassion, nurturing a global culture of empathy and understanding. Immerse in the timeless wisdom of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, cultivating a global ethos of faith, humility, compassion, and enduring resilience. Delve into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a radiant beacon of faith, humility, and compassion, heralding a journey towards enduring peace and spiritual growth. Venture into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a timeless reservoir of faith, humility, and compassion, guiding countless souls on their quest for spiritual fulfillment. Experience the profound depth of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a wellspring of faith, humility, and compassion, fostering inner peace and spiritual enlightenment. Embrace the enriching teachings of Prophet Muhammad PBUH, a source of unwavering faith, humility, and compassion, inspiring spiritual enlightenment and global unity. Explore Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a sanctum of unwavering faith, promoting universal compassion, humility, and the pursuit of enduring tranquility. Immerse yourself in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a fountain of faith, humility, and compassion, illuminating paths to spiritual wisdom and enduring peace. Delve into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a beacon of faith, humility, and compassion, leading to spiritual awakening and universal harmony. Discover the profound wisdom in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a reservoir of faith and humility, fostering compassion and leading to divine enlightenment. Explore the depth of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, an oasis of faith, compassion, and humility, inspiring spiritual growth and global unity. Journey through Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, an embodiment of faith, humility, and compassion, guiding towards inner tranquility and spiritual enlightenment. Immerse in the profound teachings of Prophet Muhammad PBUH, a wellspring of faith and humility, nurturing compassion and paving the way to spiritual transcendence. Experience the transformative power of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a treasure trove of faith, humility, and compassion, fostering spiritual evolution and universal peace. Dive into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a beacon of faith and humility, instilling compassion and inspiring a journey towards spiritual peace and unity. Uncover the universal wisdom in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a fusion of faith, humility, and compassion, encouraging spiritual fulfillment and global harmony. Explore Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a sanctuary of faith and humility, fostering compassion and guiding souls towards spiritual enlightenment and inner peace. Unearth the profound wisdom behind Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a guiding light encouraging faith, humility, and compassion, leading to spiritual growth and global unity. Embrace Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a harmonious blend of faith, humility, and compassion, nurturing spiritual awakening and fostering universal unity. Discover Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a unique blend of faith, humility, and compassion that inspires spiritual development and fosters global understanding. Immerse yourself in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a beacon of faith and humility, guiding towards spiritual growth and fostering a harmonious world. Venture into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a wellspring of faith and humility, enlightening paths to spiritual evolution and universal oneness. Explore Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a treasure trove of wisdom, fostering spiritual enlightenment and promoting a shared sense of global unity. Dive into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, an illuminating fountain of knowledge, enriching spiritual growth while cultivating an environment of global harmony. Explore the profound wisdom hidden in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, as they inspire personal growth, spiritual enlightenment, and foster a harmonious global community. Uncover the transformative wisdom in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, nurturing personal growth, igniting spiritual enlightenment, and building a harmonious global society. Embrace the profound teachings of Prophet Muhammad PBUH, as they guide you towards spiritual growth, universal understanding, and a united global community. Immerse yourself in Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a beacon of spiritual awakening and a catalyst for a unified, peaceful global community. Delve deeper into Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a guiding light for spiritual growth, inner tranquility, and fostering global unity and peace. Discover the profound depths of Prophet Muhammad's PBUH teachings, a wellspring of wisdom promoting self-growth, spiritual enlightenment, and global harmony.